What's up guys, the 2022.12.3.2 update is here. We have 4 new items. The first one has to do with the bottom bar. So if we hold it, now we have the ability to add wipers. So let me take this back up there. So you could add wipers, left seat, rear defrost, and front defrost. Right here we could also do our left seat, so I'm guessing that's going to be something like, you know, the seat warmers. So we could actually put them here on this side away from the My Apps, so something to know there. Or you could even put it under My Apps. So we could either put it under the My App section, or we could put it on this empty space on the left. So it looks like you could only do it for the seats. Let's see if they could do it for defrost. No, defrost wouldn't work. So it looks like it's only for the seats. We could put it on the left and right. But it only makes sense to also put one on this side. The second one has to do with child lock. The child lock is literally just child lock settings. So with a child lock, you could essentially choose which door has child lock. And then this is additional app improvements. Now you could do dog mode and camp mode directly from the app. Lastly, a new language was added called Merhaba. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure I don't know it, but I do know it's a Turkish one. Oh yeah, there it is. So it actually says Turkish. So these are all the new updates. Nothing really major. I mean, if you want to consider this major, sure, but it's still convenient to just click this and then select whatever you wanted, and the dog stuff is on this side, the camp, and then the defrost buttons and the unfrost. So yeah, I mean, everything is here already. I'm not sure if these updates were necessary. There's better things to update. Like, I'm already losing range percentage. It's not as accurate. Like my 100% is now 245 miles, and that's coming down from 253 miles. So I'm hoping that's a software thing and I'm not actually losing 10 miles of range, because that would piss me off. But I think there are better things to update, but I know it takes time to have major updates. So that's basically it guys. As always, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.